Entrepreneurship lecture series by Ghulam Mustafa. Here we discuss about how to transform Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory in the entrepreneur hierarchy of needs. According to Maslow's theory, the first thing is physiological needs. Here we transform physiological needs into the cash. Cash represents the bottom of the pyramid. Just as food, shelter, and water are needed to meet our most basic needs for survival in Maslow's physiological level, cash is the ultimate survival tool for the business. The second is safety needs. Here we convert safety needs into the profits earned by a business venture. Healthy business soon reach the second level profits earned by the entrepreneur, which in turns again used for the survival of the business. The third is the level of creativity. The level of creativity or the social needs. Higher the level of creativity, making business model better, make the entrepreneur to keep himself in the development and marketing of new products, which in turn leads to higher profits and reduce cash flow problems. The fourth is ego and esteem, which can be transformed into growth and development of a business. The highest level, growth is a risky but necessary procedure for startup to survive. Growth may be assessed in the context of employees, customers, revenue, liquidity, profit, geographic locations, and a variety of other dimensions. Regardless of the growth type, hurdles always exist. An entrepreneur who understands the risks and knowingly takes them will have a chance to grow, whereas one who is not willing to take risk will not grow. The fifth and the final is self actualization need, which can be transformed into the independence or self sustaining of the business. When a business owner has all of these needs met, the entrepreneur will typically find itself in a healthy position. A self sustaining entrepreneur will look very much like a survival stage business. It had good revenue, solid customer base, steady stream of business and profits, but these things are not dependent on the owner. All these things happen to because the team has created business systems. Systems allow you to lose key people and add people with little to no impact to the business. This is the assessment question. You take any business venture example and transform Maslow's theory according to business needs and explain it. Thank you.